go where I want, good. Yeah, I go where I want, good.
Hey, hello, how are you? No, really, how you doing? You good? Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, or if this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. Today we're gonna have a good old home vlog, okay? We are gonna step outside, refresh the backyard area in a very simple but effective way. It's gonna make a big difference. We're gonna do a little bit of satisfying cleaning out there. My fence that is an eyesore, we are going to cover that up. I have family coming into town, so we are gonna get the guest bedroom ready. So y'all gonna do that with me. But we are also going to open the fall bins. I've honestly been contemplating how I'm gonna address seasonal decor this year, but we'll get more into that later. But we are going to be going into our fall bins. I'm very much still in the spirit of just not wanting to continue to accumulate too much stuff. So we are gonna assess the situation, feel the vibes or not feel the vibes, add what we need to, use what we want, and then we're gonna go from there. But yeah, I'm excited to say we are gonna get into some fall vibes. This will be the first video that fall vibes are mentioned, and then we're gonna let it flow as it goes. My mind has honestly not been on fall holiday decorating or anything, but something in me is starting to feel like I want to see the auburns and the browns and all the fall colors that I like. So we're gonna start the vibes today. Comment below, have y'all started shopping for fall? Have y'all started contemplating your theme this year? Are you using what you used last year? Are you starting completely new vibes? I just wanna know where we all are as it relates to the fall decor. So comment below and let me know your thoughts. I know this brown right here is giving me warm, cozy fall vibes. It's giving comfy, buttery, soft goodness from Skims, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. Fun fact, I don't think this is a surprise to many people, but I don't wear bras often unless it's like a sports bra. I just don't like the confinement, the trapped feeling. I'm more of a free spirit. So I was excited to try a few items from their Fits Everybody collection because the focus is comfortability, stretch, and getting that perfect fit every time. Now, Skims is a solution-based oriented brand creating the next generation of underwear, loungewear, and shapewear. They're setting a new standard by providing solutions for everybody. From technically constructed shapewear that enhances your curves to underwear that stretches twice its size. The Fits Everybody collection of underwear is super lightweight and it molds to your body. It's available in sizes XXS all the way up until 4X. This underwear is definitely game-changing, y'all. With Skims, they have so many different skin tones, colors, absolutely beautiful. I love them. I got the Fits Everybody scoop neck bralette in the size large. Very seamless. I prefer a scoop neck, so it's probably one of my favorites. Super, super comfortable, y'all. When they say it stretches, but it forms right back once you let it go. So I love the quality and fabric of these items. Also, the Fits Everybody racerback bralette, I also got that in a large, similar to the scoop neck, but as you can see, it's just formed differently. Also got two similar but not the exact same bra. The first is the Fits Everybody t-shirt bra in sienna. Super smooth, super seamless, very, very comfortable. Along with the Fits Everybody push-up demi bra in sienna. That one's similar to the t-shirt bra, but it has a little bit more padding, so it gives me more of that lift and it gives your breasts more of like the round fullness if you're looking for that look. One main thing I want to point out is that the straps are not like digging into your skin. They literally just lay on your skin, but they still hold really, really good. And I also got the Fits Everybody boy short, same color sienna in an extra large. Super comfortable, more on the soft sheer side as far as fabric goes, but I love the tone. I love how they just lay against your skin. They don't look bulky. They just glide and form with your body shape. So I love these pieces. When you go to their site, you'll notice they have a lot of different collections. My recommendation if you're new to Skims is to start with the Fits Everybody collection. That's where you can get like your basic, your staples. Within that collection, they have the 3 for $36, so you get the biggest bang for your buck. Skims is creating the next generation of underwear for everybody. And you can believe the hype. Skims has over 100,000 5-star reviews for a reason. Click the link in the description to check out the Fits Everybody collection and more perfect fit essentials. plus get free shipping on orders over $75. Now, after you place your order, be sure to let them know that I sent you. Select YouTube in the survey and be sure to select my channel in the drop down that follows. That way they know you're from the tribe. I finally tried Skims, y'all, after all the hype. I'm probably the last one who has not tried them yet, but let me tell you, I'm sold. So thank you again, Skims, for sending over those pieces. Now come on, let's get into this home stuff. All right, so let's come out here. I'm just gonna give y'all an overlook of what the backyard is looking like. Now granted, it's not the worst thing you've ever seen, but we're gonna refresh it in a way that you didn't realize it could be better, right? My poor plants. It's fine. We're gonna address those as well. We've been getting a lot of wind, as you can see. The curtains have taken a hit, okay? Rug just a little disheveled. I could use some tidying, cleaning in this area here. I have a bad habit of leaving my yoga mat out here. I have not been protecting my covers, so they are very dirty. I don't know if we're gonna address that just yet, but mainly it's gonna be these two fences here. The back fence has just been an eyesore. In the previous video, we went to Lowe's, priced out the paint that I used over here when I redid this fence. And for enough paint to paint that whole thing, it's about $350. I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing that right now. I'm also just not in the mood to paint the fence. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bring that tarp back out and just cover that back up. I wasn't wanting to do that because it's more of a temporary solution, but as simple as it sounds, it's gonna make a huge difference, y'all. So for anybody who has like an eyesore of a fence, maybe it's a different color than your other ones, a tarp is a good idea to visually bring a better aesthetic to that area. So we're gonna do that. Let me get up on this fence so y'all can really see just how dirty and nasty it is. So we're gonna clean this as well. We cleaned it last year, but it's Florida, and Florida does not care about what you did last year. Florida is like, hey girl, we're back.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will you? Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the mother man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got?
Boom, boom, boom. Look at them lines. Just a quick little guest bedroom refresh, y'all. Okay? Get that light going. I got a few bulbs to replace. But this is the guest bedroom refresh. This is definitely not even close to a makeover. When I make over this room, that back wall will be a completely different color, if not wallpaper. But I did get some more ideas while doing this. Maybe this inspires somebody to just tidy up their room or that spare room. Because let me tell you, this door remains shut. For the most part, I am never in here. So it's really out of sight, out of mind. It just feels very fresh and clean in here, so I know they're gonna feel comfortable. While we are at it, let me go ahead and give it a couple of sprays. This is like my staple home scent. Couple of spritz, couple of sprays. What is your staple home scent? What is a scent that you, oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. It's nothing like a good smelling atmosphere, okay? Anyways, comment your staple home scent, whether it be a room spray, a candle. That way we can start sharing fragrances all together. I'm gonna start trying to like add these kind of things so we can get, you know, ideas and products and our favorite things that maybe somebody else didn't know about, okay? This one is from Bath & Body Works. I assumed y'all knew, y'all probably do, but just in case, it is from Bath & Body Works, vanilla and patchouli. It is really called Comfort, but I'm sure they changed the name on it. But yeah, it's feeling cozy in here. I might sleep in here tonight, no, I'm just playing. They'll be here tomorrow, so I'm not gonna do that. Just wanted to bring y'all around the house with me while I do a few things. I hope you enjoyed. Hope that it gave you some type of tidying up, cleaning motivation for the spaces in your house. They will be here tomorrow, so my staycation begins. Their vacation, my staycation. We're going to see Beyonce on Wednesday.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? Seeing past the trouble, now you know the meaning of it all.
We're just gonna have a good time. I might vlog some of it. I more than likely won't, so I can't make any promises, but I love y'all. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. And I will see you in the next video. We're gonna get the best. Girl, what you saying? Like, how do you just find this? I need to get organized. From Skims. And I want to thank them for...
Listen, there's nothing wrong with being single. There's nothing wrong with being alone. There's nothing wrong with taking time for yourself to work out who you are. Because how can you offer who you are if you don't know who you are? There's nothing wrong with being selfish.
I go where I want, good. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Yeah. I go where I want, good.